One of the things that truly sets the MLite-880 apart is that it never stops evolving. Most radios are exactly the same years down the road as they were on day one. The MLite-880 is different. We release firmware updates on an ongoing basis. Every update can bring new features, better performance, or fixes for issues you may have come across. In other words, your MLite-880 isn't a one-time purchase that's frozen in time. It keeps growing and getting better the longer you own it. So how do you actually update it? It's easier than you might think. In this video, we'll walk you through it step by step. Before you begin, have a USB Type-C cable ready to connect the device to your computer. And if you have important frequencies or data stored on your device, back them up first. The flashing process may clear the device's storage. In the button 3 menu, you can check the firmware version information. Everything you need for the update can be found directly on our official website. Open your browser and go to Elecevolve.com. On our blog, you'll find an illustrated, step-by-step firmware update guide. We'll put the link in the description below. There are 2 ways to update, and we'll walk you through exactly how to do each one in a moment. You can also check the firmware changelog there. In the navigation bar, find and click on Download to enter the Download Center. The first is the One-Click Firmware Updater, our Windows Updater tool. The second is the Universal Firmware Package, the raw firmware file for manual flashing, which is a bin file. There are 2 ways to update. Method 1 is the One-Click Updater, the simplest, and the way we recommend for most users. Method 2 is a manual flash, intended for advanced users. Just pick whichever fits your situation. Let's start with the first method. Click to download the One-Click Firmware Updater. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Once the installation is complete, the MLite icon will appear on your desktop. Open the program. First, click Get Version to check the latest version number. Here you can see the latest version is 1.5.8. If the device isn't properly connected to your computer, pressing Upgrade will report an error. So there's one very important step before upgrading: properly connecting your MLite-880 to the computer. With the device powered off, press and hold the 1 key, then switch it on. After 2 to 3 seconds, release the 1 key. You'll enter the DFU screen. If you don't see this screen when it turns on, please try again. Connect the cable to your computer. Once it's connected, press Upgrade and it will update automatically. During this time, please don't turn off the device, keep it connected throughout, and patiently wait for the progress bar to finish. Click OK, and the firmware update is complete. At this point, your MLite-880 will restart. Check whether the version number has changed. And with that, the update is complete. Next, let's go over the second method, manually flashing the firmware. This works for users who aren't on Windows. First, head to our official website to download the official firmware. Please note, always flash with the official firmware. You'll also need to download the STM32Cube Programmer flashing tool. Open the STM32Cube Programmer flashing tool. Before starting, make sure the device is properly connected and in DFU mode, just as before. Select USB and refresh, click Connect. Then go to the Programming tab. Here, choose the firmware package you downloaded from the official website. You can enable these 2 options, then click Start Programming and patiently wait for the firmware to flash. When it's finished, check the version number again. If it shows the latest version, your firmware update was successful. And that's how you update your MLite-880's firmware. We're always rolling out new firmware, and the reason behind these updates is pretty simple: to keep the MLite-880 evolving. If you run into any issues while using it, or there's a feature you'd really like to see, feel free to share your feedback with us anytime. You can also join our official community to swap tips with other users and tell us what you'd most like to see next. We'll be keeping a close eye on it. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.